Jamaican parents are a whole survival. Some of we go through some rough brought up say. But here are some things our Caribbean parents used to discipline with. Number one, you remember the Dutch pot? Mr. All-Inclusive, beating, cooking, and all these things. Yes, you don't want to get this fling off of you. This is like an incoming missile. That's right now. Number two, the extension card. This was like getting a rod straight out of heaven. When this drop across your back, oh my God, I could disappear any moment. That's right now. Number three, whichever company made shoes, they thought it was just for wearing on foot. But our parents considered otherwise. These were missiles and these, oh my God, when them drop in your head and by your hand, may I tell you, these and slippers, oh my God. As I go, you tell me. Comment below and let me know if you ever get a dosage of any of these. Zane, big up yourself.